How to add sites to PhoenixSQL. First, we're going to go to Site. We're going to select Site Info. As you can see here, we have our normal icons. We have the Add, Edit, Delete. You also see here that we have a poll and history. These two features will be discussed in another how-to. Clicking on Add takes you to the site configuration screen. The general site information section of Add Site Configuration is used to enter the information for a new site. As in any other section, required fields are indicated by an asterisk. You're going to enter your site ID, which can be any number from 0 to 998. Put in your site name. And the site manager is selected from the choices found in the drop-down menu. We then go to the communication setup. The communication section of the Add Site Configuration is used to enter the communication parameters for a new site, enabling Phoenix to talk to the site. Required fields in the FSC communication setup configuration are indicated by an asterisk. With the type of field site controller that we're able to use here under this drop-down, now we're going to select the method of communication. As you can see here, all the fields for the communication are grayed out. So depending on which method of communication you select, that will determine which fields will become active. Now on to the password. How you're connected to your field site controller will determine which password you use to gain access. Since we're connecting via TCP/IP, we have to enter in all three of our passwords. Password 1 being the remote password. Password 2 being the show password. And password 3 being the partial access password. To activate the field for an ATG communication type, you have to select a gauge and then your method of communication. You populate those fields with the proper information. The miscellaneous section is used to assign a short name that identifies the site, perform card updates after polling, and to clear your transactions after polling. The short name has to be filled in. If you were to select help, everything that we discussed is listed here.